One factory never sleeps. Robots never stop. For centuries, work depended on human hands. That assumption is now being challenged. The biggest change is not happening in science fiction. It is happening inside ordinary workplaces. Factories are becoming quieter. Machines are doing more of the physical work. Yet robots are no longer limited to manufacturing. They are entering almost every industry. Hospitals use robots. Warehouses move faster. Even restaurants are changing. Some robots now deliver meals directly to customers. Why is this happening now? The answer begins with demographics. Many countries are facing labor shortages. There simply are not enough workers. At the same time, wages continue to rise. Businesses are searching for sustainable solutions. Robots offer something unique. They can work around the clock without fatigue. They never ask for overtime. They never need weekends. That does not mean robots are perfect. They still depend on human supervision. Someone must design them. Someone must maintain them. Artificial intelligence changed everything. Machines can now recognize objects and make decisions. Vision systems guide robotic arms. AI helps machines adapt to changing environments. Tasks that once required people are becoming automated. This transformation is accelerating every year. Consider modern warehouses. Thousands of robots move together like living organisms. Packages arrive. Robots immediately decide where each item should go. The result is speed. Orders reach customers much faster than before. Manufacturing tells a similar story. Precision has become more important than muscle. A robotic arm can repeat the same motion millions of times without losing accuracy. That level of consistency is difficult for humans, especially over long shifts. Dangerous workplaces are changing as well. Robots increasingly handle hazardous tasks. Mining, chemical plants, nuclear facilities, extreme temperatures. Sending robots instead of people reduces risk. Safety is becoming another reason for automation. Still, one question remains. Will robots replace every worker? History suggests a different answer. Technology often changes jobs before eliminating them. The Industrial Revolution created new professions. The digital revolution did the same. Robotics may follow a similar path. Some jobs disappear while others emerge. Engineers become more important. Software developers become more valuable. Robot technicians are now in high demand. Maintenance has become a critical skill. Factories need fewer repetitive workers. They need more people who understand technology. Education is changing because of this. Learning new skills matters more than ever. The future workplace will look different. Humans and robots will share responsibilities. Creativity remains difficult to automate. Empathy is even harder. Complex judgment still belongs to people. Machines continue to assist rather than replace. The most successful companies know this. They combine human intelligence with machine efficiency. Competition is becoming global. Every nation wants smarter factories. Countries investing in robotics gain advantages. Productivity becomes a national strength. This is why governments support automation. It is no longer just a business decision. The race has already begun. Asia, Europe, and America are investing heavily. The next generation of robots will be different. They will move more naturally. Many will communicate through AI. Some may even work side by side with us. The question is no longer whether robots will spread. They already have. The real question is this: how should people prepare? Those who understand technology will adapt faster. Those who keep learning will discover new opportunities. Robots are changing work. They are also changing the skills the world demands. The future may not belong to robots alone. It will belong to the people who know how to work with them.